students, welcome to Knowledge Time classes. In this video, we are going to solve exercise 2.2 of polynomial chapter. Now, what is the question is, you have to find the zeros and then verify the relationship between the zeros. Means what? First, you have to find the value of alpha and beta, and then you have to show that alpha plus beta is minus b upon a and alpha into beta is c upon a. This is what we have to prove. Okay. So first we'll find the value of a, b and c. What is the value over here? This can be written as 1x square minus 2x minus 8. Whatever is the coefficient of x square is a. A is equal to 1. Whatever is the coefficient of x is b. B is equal to minus 2. And whatever is the coefficient of constant or the constant term is c. So this is minus 8. Okay, so now what is minus b upon a? Minus b upon a is minus of minus 2 upon 1, which is equal to 2, and I will name this as equation 1. What is c upon a? C upon a is nothing but minus 8 upon 1, which is equal to minus 8. I will name this as equation 2. We will solve this sum in this standard format. First you will write the equation. See, remember one thing in this, whenever a polynomial is given, indirectly they have given you the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Directly, as soon as you know the polynomial, you know the values of minus b upon a. So that means alpha plus beta is given. Correct? So now I have found this. Now I will find the value of alpha and beta. How do I find the value of alpha and beta? We have studied in 9th standard. How to find the zeros of this polynomial? You will equate this polynomial to 0. Because x, those values of x which will make this 0. So now to find zeros of polynomial, we write x square minus 2x minus 8 and I equate it to 0. So I will get the value of x. Now I have to factorize this. What is the rule? You multiply first term with the last term. Answer is minus 8. When my answer is minus 8, I have to subtract two numbers. Remember, whenever my answer is plus, I have to add two numbers. Now I have to subtract two numbers and get 2 and multiply those two numbers and get 8. So what will be those two numbers? If I subtract both of them, I should get 2. And if I multiply both of them, then I should get 4. So it is 4 and 2. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8 and 4 minus 2 is 2. Correct? Now I have to decide signs. Whichever is the bigger number out of them will get the sign of the middle number. So it will be minus 4 because 4 is bigger and plus 2. Again you can verify also. Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Minus 4 into plus 2 is minus 8. So that means this is correct. So here you get x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. I get x common, x minus 4 plus 2 common, x minus 4 equal to 0. So therefore x minus 4 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 4 equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 4 or x is equal to minus 2. Therefore my alpha is equal to 4 and beta is equal to minus 2. So I get the value. So now I get the values of alpha is 4 and beta is minus 2. So therefore what will be my alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is 4 plus minus 2. Means 4 plus minus 2. 4 minus 2 which is equal to 2. So alpha plus beta is equal to 2. I will name this as equation 3. And what is my alpha into beta? Alpha into beta is 4 into minus 2 which is equal to minus 8. This is equation 4. I will go in this format only. 1, 2, 3, 4. First I have the polynomial. I will get the values of minus b upon a and c upon a. I will name them as 1 and 2. Then I will solve the polynomial and get the zeros, alpha and beta. Then I will find the values of alpha plus beta. I will name it as 3, and alpha into beta I will name it as 4. Now look at equation 1. Minus b upon a is 2. And look at equation 3. Alpha plus beta is also 2. So from 1 and 3, I can verify that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. What is b? Minus. What is b? Coefficient of x square. What is a? Coefficient of x. Okay. And alpha into beta from 2 and 4. What does equation 2 say? C upon a is equal to minus 8. And what does equation 4 say? Alpha into beta is also minus 8. So alpha into beta is equal to C upon a. That means constant divided by coefficient of x. Understood this? So there I have proved that, or I have verified that alpha plus beta is minus coefficient of x square upon coefficient of x, and alpha into beta is constant divided by coefficient of x. So to solve this sum, we are going to follow this same flow. First you write the polynomial, write the values of a, b and c, write alpha minus b upon a value, write c upon a value, name them as 1 and 2, find the zeros of the polynomial, find the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Then alpha plus beta is minus b upon a and alpha into beta is c upon a. We will verify with the help of equations. Okay, please note down this sum. This is important sum and it comes for 4 marks. Okay, please.